Dollar index, we start with daily chart. Okay, we have been mentioned that we are looking for buy for long term. The only question was whether we can get the buy from here or the price can drop before we get the buy. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade this on lower time frame. If we move to forward chart, we have been discussing that how we have been looking for this correction. This is the only correct. If we consider this is the only correction, that means this is the start of the down move. And that's why in my last video we mentioned we have been looking for sell. This is what we get. The another one, the second option for the correction was if this is the only correction and this is the first move. That means still we can expect the price to break this, to come and test this high. Okay. No, the only things we need to highlight is that whether this one, because as we can see, we were expecting the price to drop quite sharply, but it's not moving really fast. No, the price can break this one or not, because we expect and be thinking if this one is start to drop like corrective, then from mostly we are, I mean, we can look for buy with any sharp reversal and the correction. We can look for buy, but the question is how deep this one can go, whether it can test and break this low before we get the buy or not. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, before we move to 1 hour chart, I need to highlight here that if even based on forward chart, if we compare these two, we can see we have a divergence. Okay, then how about the 1 hour chart? We need to check based on the 1 hour chart as well. If I move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on 1 hour chart also we have a divergence. Okay, now how deep this one can go, we are not sure. As I mentioned, can the price break this low? The possibility is there. But from now, if we get any buy setup, we will be looking for buy. And we should know that the possibility, as I say, this one, how deep it can go, we are not sure. But still, we can expect the price can move like the price can drop, give a small correction for the next. All right, that means we will get similar to what we have here. Then from now, any sell setup from here we get is a short-term sell. If the price it drop and continue dropping similar to what we have here. But anyway, from now, if we get any sharp move with a small flag correction, we can look for buy, because in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We see whether we can get any buy setup. And as I say, any sell setup similar to one or any of this. That means if we get any small flag from here, any sell setup we consider as a short-term sell, because we are not sure how long we will be within this move. But what we are more interested in the buy. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If we see any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.